On the Cup of Java Productions YouTube page, we have a lot of tutorials about creating paper flowers out of tissue paper and coffee filters. But in this video, I would like to show you how you can create your own bouquet of paper roses out of tissue paper. And to get instructions on exactly how to make the roses, please check out the video that describes how we created this flower wall. And you will get the exact instructions on how to create the paper roses. But for this video, I want to show you how you would create a bouquet. You would take these stems from the dollar store. You'll take off the artificial flower that comes on the stem, and then you have a place to put your paper flowers. And let me just take it off this bed of greenery. For the purposes of this video, I didn't want to attach the greenery to the flowers so that you can see exactly how they were created. It makes it so much easier to display. So what you're going to do is create your paper flowers, either hot glue or put adhesive to attach them to the stems. If you have floral tape, you can attach the floral tape, and then you can just present it either as is or you'll put the greenery on it. So what you would do is you would put the greenery on the stem, or just take off the roses like I mentioned, and you can then put your paper flowers in the greenery. You could do it that way, or you could do it this way and then attach the greenery, take the greenery off this little stem and attach it to each rose. So it's such a simple craft, but it's something that whoever you give this to, they will appreciate it for years to come. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos, and feel free to leave comments below. Thanks for watching.